Hey, it's James from Fix My Brick. I do residential restoration. Why don't you ride along with me and we'll go check some sites out. From my dad, we were doing high-rise restoration, and then a couple of his workers wanted to do it on weekends for extra money, and then just went crazy. Got super busy and started doing it full time. So usually we do repairs during the summertime, and then in the winter we're going to get into some production just to keep the guys going, right? Because you can't do small repairs in the winter, you can't tarp and heat, that kind of stuff, right? So we'll meet at the shop for 7:30. Usually head out to the guys' jobs, make sure if they have any questions, they're ready to go, bring some material to them sometimes, and then usually between 10 and 3, sometimes evenings, I do sales calls. Work's tough with a young baby at home and a wife that's in law school, so I usually try and, now that we're getting more established, I try and take weekends off and spend time with the family, as opposed to working 7 days a week like I used to have to. So, well, the biggest challenge right now is obviously finding good employees. We're pretty set right now with some good employees, but growing's hard. It's hard. I'm sure every business owner knows that the hardest thing is finding good employees who show up every day and try their best, and especially in construction, it's very hard. But we have a good set of guys right now. So just got to grow slowly as you find the guys, right? So usually that's what I try and do is get the older guys to train a younger guy, and then eventually that younger guy knows enough to end up bringing another younger guy with him. But like I said, it's hard to find young guys at this that want to do the trades, or bricklaying's not an easy job. So, well, I think a lot of their parents are pushing them university, when really, like, a lot of my friends went to university and they're either unemployed or they're working a trade now. For instance, one of my best friends actually went to university and he's full on trades and isn't doing anything with his degree. So I think a lot of parents are pushing them. They think that that's the way to go, but there's a lack of trades right now, so there's definitely some high demand in it, right? Yeah, no, I don't know. Depends, he's smart, like my wife. Well, she's a lawyer, right? Well, she's gonna be a lawyer. You can tell he's really smart. Maybe he'll be, and who knows? Maybe he'll be a doctor, maybe he'll be a lawyer. He'll grow up doing it though in high school and stuff, right? So that's like how I did in high school, and me and my buddies would go work for my dad, right? Good money during the summer, good help. So, hopefully. Him or my brother's kids, one or the other. So we're gonna go in Farrell's here and get some brick matches going. I got a couple of Brampton brick matches to get. So let's go inside Farrell right now. Hey guys.
Hey James.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
So here's some Brampton brick selection. Various bricks here. Gotta get a brick match. I think this Wyndham Gray brick here is gonna match one of my houses there. Take a couple pictures of it and then take it to one of my houses here. So I typically come in here a couple times a week to get brick matches. Usually come in here, go out in the yard, pick up a couple different bricks and take them to the customer and see if it matches. Tim. Large 1 milk. DeWalt. Dodge. 94.7. LeBron. The Leafs. Gretzky. I have no clue. 4. Usually both. McDonald's. Yes.
Okay, James, thanks for allowing us to ride along with you today.
Yeah,
It's a
thank
lot
you.
of fun.
Perfect.
Pair of wire boots. Enjoy.
Perfect. Appreciate them. Beauty. Thank you.
I also have a gift from Plant and Brick, who were sponsored today's episode. So there you go.
Beauty. Thanks.
Thanks for
Good.
letting us ride along.
Perfect. Thank you very much.
Cheers.